Okay, so I have implemented MemberSpace. I have a protected page called MemberSpace Test. I'm just going to demo this for you so you can see how it works. So basically, if I wanted to, I could charge people money. I could charge a subscription plan, a one-time fee. In this case, it's free. You could go to MemberSpace Test or basically protect that content, charge for that content, and I don't have to do anything in Oracle Apex. Basically I could have this set up in no time at all, have data in a table and give access to that data or what have you. So just let's check it out. You can see there's a sign up link right here, so they give you that, and I've just added that to a static region. And then the JavaScript that they gave me that I put in a file is shown in the article, and have uploaded to static files and registered it with the user interface. It adds this little member login button down on the right. So it seems to be working. So I'm not logged in because it says member login. I could sign up, and you can see it comes up as a pop-up. So they're actually feeding that. Use a CNAME record, and that they have set up, that I set up on my DNS for myapexapp.com. So it looks like it's coming from me, but it's really coming from them. So let's go ahead and click MemberSpace Test. And you can see I'm using the second security level where it blacks everything out. If you use the first one, they'll actually see the content for a second, and then it redirects. And if they disable JavaScript, you could get to that. Most of the people that are going to go through that trouble, there's probably not worth worrying about, depending on the type of content you're serving. It just kind of depends on the criticality of your content. I'm doing the blackout method. It's supposed to be more secure. I don't know how really secure it is, so I probably wouldn't have like banking info here, but I would like to do some more research and see how secure that method is. The service is a little pricey, I think, $25 a month. I would like to see just a pure there's a transaction fee of 4% on all your memberships that you charge, plus you'd have Stripe fees. So I'd probably look for some other solutions initially. But if you have something that's going to immediately generate a little revenue, then maybe you think about it. So let's go ahead and click MemberSpace Test, and you can see it gets blacked out, and then it redirects. Now the redirect, I had to redirect back to myapexapp.com. It was mangling the URL, the parameters actually being passed to the URL on the redirect, and I don't know where those parameters were coming from, if Apex was injecting them or if MemberSpace was, but then it was mangling them and changing the characters and stuff, probably some kind of security thing to scrub the URL. So I had to redirect back to here. So if you were doing this, you'd want a real clear, make sure you sign up first for information. And make sure they know they're clicking on a protected page. It really doesn't say anything like protected or anything like that. So you'd have to make it clear. But it works. So I'm going to go ahead. I could sign up for an account, and then I could go out and it would prompt the payment plan and take the credit card information. They're handling all of that for me. That's awesome. Who wants to write all that? And then if I go to member login, I'll just go ahead and log in with the account I've already set up. It's a free account. Okay, and now you can see this changed to your account. The sign up's still there, but not sure what to do about that. Didn't mess with it that much. Let's click membership test. And you can see now it flashed black, but then it showed me the content. So here's the lorem ipsum. I even have a table. Unfortunately, there's no data in it, but I did test with something that had data in it. So I just threw up an IG real quick. So anyway, it works. We can go to your account, log out, and click that again, and you'll see that I cannot get to it. So anyway, that's MemberSpace. I'm hoping to look at maybe Gumroad and PayPal and just see, what kind of solutions can I implement that could be implemented without having to implement payments and all that kind of stuff within the Oracle Apex application itself. So thanks for watching.